Hi, and welcome back to Market Conversations. Today is February 24th, and I just want to do a quick video on Senseonics, Sundial, and some stocks that I'm currently holding. So if you guys are interested in watching, go ahead and stick around. But before I continue, I just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I also created a Patreon page where like-minded people can talk anything and everything about stocks, whether that is penny stocks, dividend stocks, growth stocks, as well as cryptocurrency options and anything and everything in between. I'm just trying to create a community where I can try to help people grow our accounts together, and I will also be sharing my trades with you guys. So if that is something that you guys are interested in, go ahead and check out my link down below, and it's only 33 cents a day, and it's always nice to buy the same stocks as you guys, make money together and lose together. So let's take a look and see what I have. I have a few options here. These are cash secure puts, by the way. I try to stay away from buying call options because they are just too risky. If I were to buy a call option, I would buy a leap call that's a year or longer. I do have a short-term call option right now that expires in April, and I'm down a lot of money because we just cannot predict which way a stock will go. So this is a cash secure put. It is a 150 strike price and it expires this Friday. By selling cash secure puts, we get the premium upfront, we get money upfront. And when I sold this cash secure put, I received $15 in premium. But in order to sell a cash secure puts, I need to put up the collateral, and the collateral is 100 times what the strike price is. So this is Sundial, and I've been investing in Sundial for quite a long time now. So what this is saying is, if Sundial, the price which is at $159, is above $1.50, the collateral will be released back to me. And no matter what happens to the option, whether it's in the money or expires worthless, I get to keep the premium. So let's say if Sundial's price is below 150 or at 150, now I have to use that collateral to buy 100 shares of Sundial at $1.50. But even if I have to buy the shares, I will still keep this $15 credit. So with this $15 credit, I could have easily bought 6 or 7 shares depending on what the price was at when I first sold this cash secure put. And I am very bullish on Sundial. So when you're selling cash secure puts, it usually means that you're bullish on a stock. And I am. Sundial just regained compliance with NASDAQ, so they are no longer going to be delisted. Share had closed above $1 for 10 consecutive days, raising capital so that they can use that money to buy products, as well as just using that to expand their company. Okay, so let's take a look at another one. This one also expires this Friday, and this is a 10.50 strike price. This is a 11 strike price, and right now BlackBerry, all the Wall Street bet stocks are currently up. So I hope all you guys got in early, especially on AMC when it was around $5-6, BlackBerry when it went down to around $10, as well as Nokia, it was under $4 just today. For this one, I was able to receive $50 in credit, but I had to put up $1,100. This one, I needed a little bit more collateral. And then we have some Amc Cover Calls. What this is saying is, if AMC is at or above my strike price, which is at 8, I would have to sell 100 shares at $8. So with a cover call, I am using my shares as collateral. So a cover call is, if the stock price is at or above your strike price, I would have to sell 100 shares at $8. I would give up 100 shares. So let's say if the stock price closes below $8, the shares is released back to me, and I also get to keep the premium. So right now, it looks like I'm going to have to get rid of my shares at $8, and I will miss the upside potential. So that is the risk, is losing the upside potential. But if you were going to sell it at a specific price anyway, might as well sell a cover call. I have another one. This is a cover call as well, and it's on Nikola. For this, I was able to collect $14. So if you have 100 shares of an underlying stock, you can sell cover calls to generate extra money, but just be cautious that if the stock price goes above it, you will have to sell your shares at the strike price that you choose, and you might lose upside potential. So this one is a Senseonics cash secure puts, and for this I was able to collect $110. So this was a very high premium, and just because it expires March 19th. So I just have a lot. JAG-X cash secure puts, and this is a LEAP call I was telling you guys about. This expires in 2022. When I first bought AMC, it was back in December. Let's just take a look at my orders here. And this was when nobody really knew about AMC. I started buying in October, and then I bought these calls in December 22nd, and I bought more in December. So I want to be able to share these ideas with people. So that's why I'm starting a community to share these ideas so you won't miss out on these great deals, and then we can also share ideas with each other. I do have more shares of AMC and BlackBerry as well as Nokia. Today, let me know what you guys think of my portfolio so far. If you want me to add anything, I have about 1,000 buying power. And then once these expire on Friday, if they expire out of the money, which is worthless, the collateral will be released back to me. I will have more buying power. Let me know in the comments below if you're holding onto any of these stocks or what you think about them. And also do consider joining the Patreon page. I do share my updates in the Market Gold Investor tier. And I am just trying to find people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, and options, and just growing as a community and growing our accounts together. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much. Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Weibo if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Weibo account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you. Thanks again.